Welcome to my YouTube channel R2 Key Money Mind, where we discuss personal finance tips that you may not have learned in school. In this video, we'll go over the top 10 personal finance rules that can help you achieve financial success. 1. Pay yourself first. One of the most important personal finance rules is to pay yourself first. This means setting aside a portion of your income before you pay bills or expenses. This habit helps you build savings and invest in your future. Aim to save at least 10% of your income, and increase that percentage as your income rises. 1. Invest in yourself. Investing in yourself is crucial for long-term financial success. Your earning potential is one of your greatest assets, so invest in education, skills, and health to improve your earning potential over time. Take courses, attend conferences, and maintain your physical and mental health to ensure that you're always growing and advancing in your career. 1. Track your spending. Keeping a budget is an essential part of personal finance. However, many people don't track their spending and have no idea where their money is going. To get a better handle on your finances, keep a budget to monitor your spending and identify areas where you can cut back and save. 1. Use credit wisely. Credit can be a powerful tool when used wisely, but it can also lead to high-interest debt and financial trouble. Use credit cards responsibly by paying balances in full each month and avoiding high-interest debt. Consider using credit for big purchases that you can pay off quickly, and avoid using credit for everyday expenses. 1. Diversify your investments. Diversification is an essential component of a successful investment strategy. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your portfolio with a mix of stocks, bonds, and other assets to protect against market volatility and reduce risk. 1. Start saving for retirement early. It's never too early to start saving for retirement. The earlier you start saving, the more time your money has to grow. Aim to contribute to your retirement accounts consistently, and take advantage of employer contributions and tax benefits. 1. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Lifestyle inflation is the tendency to increase your spending as your income rises. While it can be tempting to upgrade your lifestyle as your income increases, avoid the temptation to overspend. Instead, maintain a comfortable standard of living and save the extra income. 1. Understand taxes. Understanding how taxes work is essential for managing your finances effectively. Learn how taxes work and how to minimize your tax liability legally. Consider working with a tax professional to optimize your tax strategy and save money on taxes. 1. Be prepared for emergencies. Emergencies can happen at any time, so it's essential to be prepared. Build an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses and unforeseen events. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in your emergency fund. 1. Give back. Giving back to your community is an essential part of personal finance. Incorporate charitable giving into your budget and make giving back a priority. Consider volunteering your time or donating money to causes that are important to you. In conclusion, following these personal finance rules can help you achieve long-term financial success. Remember to pay yourself first, invest in yourself, track your spending, use credit wisely, diversify your investments, start saving for retirement early, avoid lifestyle inflation, understand taxes, be prepared for emergencies, and give back. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more personal finance tips and advice.